Hi everyone, we're back for another fun story time using English and sign language. Great for all children of all ages and all needs, hearing, hard of hearing. There's so many great benefits. Okay, sorry, this one's called 5 Little Dreidels. Okay, like you spin a dreidel. Oops. Sorry, I was trying to kind of get comfy around my dog. Where is she? Oh, there's her little ears. 5 little dreidels spinning all around. One got dizzy and then fell down. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more dreidels spinning all around. 4 little dreidels, 4 little dreidels twirling around the room. One tipped over and then went boom. So Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, put those dreidels straight to bed. 3 little dreidels in a mighty spin. One tripped up. Hey, did I win? Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more dreidels in a mighty spin. 2 little dreidels trying to beat a tie. One stopped spinning and then said, bye-bye. So Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more dreidels trying to beat a tie. There's only one left. 1 little dreidel won the chocolate gelt. Oh, I miss my friends. How sad she felt. So Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, let those dreidels spin again. Very cute, just like 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you find out when Ruby and I post new videos.